Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Coding with Alo. Today we're gonna connect to Eventbrite. So we're gonna do a simple connection where we're gonna create some events using Eventbrite's API. Okay, so let's get started. So first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna need to sign in. Once you sign in, you have to go to get your API keys. So basically it's eventbrite.com/platform/API keys. Once you go there, you'll have your private token. Okay. Once you have your private token, you can go to your code and let's get started. So let's do npm init y, and let's do let's install .env. .env, and we can install Axios to the integration. Okay, so let's do .env file, and let's the API key, let's do index.js, and let's do require .env.config. Let's do const axios equals to require axios, and then let's create an async function to create event. Okay, for the event, what do we need to create an event? Well, we need the following things. We need the event name, of course. So we need the event name. we need the date. So let's say the start date. We need the end date. We need the currency that we're gonna expect for the tickets. Yeah, let's start with that. Okay, so let's do try catch. Okay, and let's do const require const event equals to await access post with the https eventbrite api.com/v3/organizations. Oh, we need to first create an organization. So well, actually, instead of creating an organization, which actually we need to send the organization here, organization ID, we're gonna send here the organization ID. And how do we get this organization ID? We're gonna do an async function, get organizations. Let's do a try catch error console.error error, and let's do here const organizations equals to an await axios.get, and in here we're gonna do https eventbrite.com/v3/users/me/organizations. Okay, we're gonna send here the authentication of first headers. organization better process.m.api. So let's first do this. Close this for now. So let's investigate the organizations. Let's do sync and let's do code organizations equals to await get organizations, and we're missing the return from here. Return organizations dot data. Okay, so let's run this out. Author is required for requests, and I am sending that. But we have organizations, headers. Oh, authorization. Yeah, console organizations, and we have one organization which is the default one, that is mine. If you need more organizations, you have to go to the Eventbrite application and create them from there. Okay, so we need the ID. Okay, so we're gonna do const create event. It's gonna be an await create event event created, and the first thing that we're gonna send is the organizations dot organizations 0.id. The event name, it's gonna be, let's say, coding with Ado meetup. The start date, we need an ISO date, I'm sure of it, so we're gonna do new date. So let's say it starts now. I don't know if that's simple, so I assume it's gonna be. Let's do new date dot get is to is of string and to is of string, but we're gonna send the new end date in like half an hour. We're gonna send here the new date, the end date to be half an hour, so it's gonna be like a new date of new date dot get time plus 30 times 60,000, which that should be like half an hour, and the currency is gonna be US dollars. Okay, so basically let's do that. Let's do console log created, and now let's continue here. So we have organization ID there, into /events, and we're gonna send here the columns, which we need first, the headers, authorization better process.m.api. Let's do also the body here. Okay, so for the body, we're gonna need the body JSON.stringify, and we're gonna send here the event, and the event we're gonna send the name. It's gonna be the event name. Actually, it's name, then the HTML. That's gonna be the event name. Then we're gonna need the start, which is gonna be time zone, it will be the time zone, so we're gonna need, let's set up everything to BST, like America, Los Angeles, and the UTC date for that is gonna be the start date, end date is gonna be similar, time zone to America, Los Angeles, and let's do UTC, the end dates, and we need the currency, which is gonna be the currency, but we had it already. Okay, so we have the headers, we have the body, and we should have everything there. So let's do return event.data. So let's see if something is weird. Let's remove the organizations. Let's check for bugs. Okay, no, an auto is required for a format. Okay, so there is something weird here. So we have the post. Oh, I think the post has, let's see. Pronouns and the callback, no, that's fine. Let me see in the code. What were we seeing? I think we need to, oh, I think that this is wrong. Okay, so we have to do, we open the brackets, and the first information has to be, it's the event. And then comes the headers. Let's see if that's the, yeah, there's something missing here, of course. We have one more, right? Yes, because that's from here, and this is from here, that finishes there. Okay, let's see. Okay, perfect. And here's with the arguments, event start UTC, the field is required, events end UTC, the field is required. Okay, so we have UTC on start and an end. Okay, this is not required, so we don't need apparently the time zones. That's fine. The is required. UTC is required. Okay, so all of them are required. And let's see. So it means that time zone is fine, and UTC is not fine. So let's see what's going on start date and end dates. Let's do console log start date and end dates. Okay, but I saw what's going on because the dates are functioning, not the actual dates, so we need to, yeah, transfer it, like call the function, not set the function. Okay, perfect. So we have the two dates, that's fine. There's the arguments, UTC, the data has wrong format. Use one of the following these formats instead. So it's year, month, day, T, hour, month, second, and the time zone. And what are we sending? Year, month, day, the hour, and second. Okay, yeah, that's fine. That's fine actually. The calculation for this half an hour is fine. So let's see what's going on here. What it is waiting for. So this is my data. Year, month, date, T, H, M, M, S, S, Z. Okay. So what's going on here? Let me think. Oh, I think that they don't need it doesn't need the time zone. It only needs the Z thingy. Like we don't need the .939Z. So so in order to remove this, even if we convert it to UTC, it's gonna be the 000. So let's just format the number here. So let's do it's a string, and then let's do like a replace some ratios here. Let's remove the dot and the 3 digits before the C. Gosh. And that's gonna be replaced with nothing. Same deal here, so we replace everything that starts with the dot and the 3 digits and ends with the Z, and then it's the end of the string. Okay, so let's run this out again. Okay, datetime has wrong format now. Why? Let's see, what's the date now? Oh yeah, we don't need to remove the Z. Let's just maintain like that. Remove the end of the string. Okay, we fixed the second one but not the first one. Let's see here. Yeah, so the end one, it works perfectly. So we need to remove the end of string and the Z. And let's just clear this out, run again. Start and end date must be in the future. Okay, so we need to do, for example, something that starts in 15 minutes and then ends up in 30 minutes. Cool. So we have our events. So let's go to our event. Yeah, I think we can click on here. Yeah, we actually need to go to Eventbrite. Let's go to login, even though it knows, yeah, thingy, browse event, manage my events here. So events, yes, coding with Ado meetup. Yeah, basically that's how you create an event. What else can we do? Let's create tickets, so we can add here some tickets. So that's pretty simple. We should be able to do an async function create tickets, or actually create tickets. in Eventbrite you can create like different tiers of tickets, like the classes actually. Let's see if we can create directly tickets with just one class to this event. So let's send the event ID, okay, which for now is this one. So let's avoid creating a new event. Okay, so let's comment that. So let's do const event ID equals to event created dot ID, but we're gonna hard code it to the past event that we created. Okay, and we're gonna do a const tickets created equals to an await create tickets. I'm gonna send the event ID, okay, and console log tickets created. Okay, so we're gonna do a try catch here. Error, console.error, error, and we're gonna do here to create the tickets. So remove this. So we're gonna do const tickets equals to an await access.post, and in here we're gonna need to do https event Eventbrite API.com /v3/events the event ID. So it's gonna be the event ID slash create new. Let me think. So we're gonna need to create we're gonna need to create the inventory tiers and tickets, or we can create just the tickets. No, I think we can create the tickets directly. So instead of, we're gonna have the event and then the tickets classes. No, for that we need inventory ID. Okay, so we need to create first the inventory tier, like how are they gonna be named. So it's gonna be event ID and then the inventory tiers, and we're going to return event tickets data. We're gonna do create tickets tiers, and in here we're gonna send first the object, which is going to be the inventory tier is called the object. I'm gonna send the name, let's call it VIP. The count against event capacity equals to true. So basically they count on the capacity. So you could do some tickets that maybe it's like standing. So for the standing there's like no count, but for the chairs you have a count. So that's the whole idea behind it. And then we have the quantity total, which is gonna be like 30. So once we have that ticket tier, let's call this tickets tiers, create tickets tiers, ticket tier created. Let's run this out. Oh yeah, sorry, we forgot to add the headers. Authorization, better process.m.api key. Okay, clear this out, run again. And inventory tiers, nothing. Pagination 0, page number 1, page count now. Okay, so it didn't create a tier. there's something wrong in my URL. Eventbrite API.com/v3/events/event ID/inventory tiers. Yeah, Eventbrite needs the finish bar there. I don't know, the finish slash there. Okay, so we now have the inventory tier. So yeah, basically we're gonna do the same thing as before. We're not gonna recreate it, but we're gonna say that the const ticket tier equals to ticket tier created dot inventory tier dot ID. Okay, but we're gonna comment this, and the ID for now is gonna be a hard coded. Okay, so now we have the ticket tiers, we have the VIPs, so we are gonna add those ticket tiers to the event, so we can add some amount, like the price of those tickets. Okay, so let's do async function assign ticket tiers to event. We're gonna send the event ID and the ticket tier ID. Try catch error console error, and we're gonna do const tickets assigned equals to an await post https Eventbrite API.com/v3/events/event ID/ticket classes and we're gonna do object, which is called tickets class. We're gonna send the name of the ticket class. Let's call it like VIP section. It's not gonna be free. It's not gonna be a donation. Let's do the cost. It's gonna be USD 1,000, for example, and the inventory tier ID. It's gonna be the ticket tier ID. I don't think I think that should be everything there. So let's do now the headers, authorization, there, process.then.api, and we are missing something. We are going to finish this before. Okay, cool. And then one less here. Okay. Yeah, that should be it, I think. So let's check that out. Oh, actually, we need to first return tickets and the data, and then let's do const tickets assigned equals to an await, assign ticket tier, event ID, ticket tier ID, console log tickets assigned. Run this out. Ticket tier, ticket tier ID. Okay, remember to do the final slash. Okay, he created the tickets with the VIP section. Fees, cost, actual fee. Okay, so let's go to our event. So this is the event before the ticket. Let's refresh this. And we should have perfect. We have 25. What about the 25? Let's see if we can see about the tickets. 25 tickets sold. Here we have the ticket type, VIP of the VIP section, price $10. Oh yeah, 1,000 is $10. It's like 1000. That's fine. And we have 25. There's only 5 tickets. And go to all ticket sales. Yeah, but basically we have all the tickets here. Yeah, we have VIP tickets there. So yeah, that's basically how you create an event there, and you can preview your events. So anyone can go into your events. The sales have ended because of like I think the event already started. But yeah, basically you could see like location, nothing on the location, nothing on the refund policy because we didn't add anything there on the settings. But yeah, that's basically how you create an event and tickets on the Eventbrite. So yeah, if you like this content, like, subscribe, comment if you wanna know more about any other SaaS out there, any other service or site that you wanna connect your code with. And yeah, see you on the next video. Bye.